Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make natural pre-workout at home. Start by choosing a base like coconut water or green tea, then add natural caffeine sources such as brewed matcha or strong cold brew, plus a pinch of sea salt for electrolytes, a teaspoon of honey for quick carbs, and optional lemon for flavor. Mix thoroughly and test strength gently before training to gauge tolerance and effects in your body. Choose ingredients based on taste and training needs. Coconut water supplies potassium and light carbs, while brewed matcha adds stable caffeine and L-theanine for calm focus. If you prefer zero caffeine, use beet juice for nitrates that support blood flow. Add 1 teaspoon honey or half a banana for 15 to 30 grams of quick carbs, and a 1/8 teaspoon sea salt to improve hydration and nerve function during intense. Follow a simple routine to make your pre-workout. Measure 12 ounces coconut water, stir in 1 teaspoon honey and 1/8 teaspoon sea salt, then pour in 6 to 8 ounces strong matcha or cold brew to reach desired caffeine. Mix well in a bottle and taste test to ensure palatability and strength. Consume 20 to 30 minutes before exercise and adjust honey or caffeine amounts based on workout intensity and personal tolerance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.